Hello, everybody. This product is something I got from this website called Micro Ingredients. That's right, folks. Micro Ingredients. And this is the product I bought. And it is real vitamin stuff. I've been losing some weight since I got into it. Made of real safflower oil. Contains 80% CLA. And it's really designed to boost my health up. This is the product you're looking at right there. Gotta wash that down, please excuse me. Gotta wash it down with some water. And for a simple price, like you would see right here for, let's take a look at this guy for an example. You can buy one pack, add to cart, free shipping on anything that's $60 or more. You can type in that. Here's another example for free shipping on anything $50 and or over. You can hit accept, add to cart, and I can write a review if I wanted to. All I gotta do is go to that shopping cart right there and check out. It's really simple as this stuff got, folks. Now I bought one too. Now what I can do is I can pay with PayPal at my choosing. And I log into my PayPal account. And I would purchase this product too, not just you. That is right, folks. Now when you are ordering from your PayPal account, you can also type in your personal code. So Basically, these guys are protecting your privacy online, so you can make a secure purchase like this online and still get healthy. Now, like and subscribe my YouTube video. The link is in the description, and you can get your hair, skin condition looking good. You can improve your sexual health. It's all nutritional supplements. You can increase your immune system. This stuff is awesome. Link is in the description. Like, subscribe, comment, and share the video.